Who's that, Taylor?
Elmo? Elmo! Do you like your pumpkin? Let's look at Elmo. Elmo!
Oh, it looks like him a lot actually in here. Elmo. Who is that, Taylor? Elmo?
Leg move.
Is that Elmo? Elmo. Look at that. Looks like him. Papa does a good job.
Oh.
My hands hurt.
You know you're hurting. What? It's Elmo. He's on fire. Elmo!